Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel for OQLIS, the Data Insights people. Today we are going to be talking about the Dormant User Feature. The Dormant User Feature allows an admin user to set a time frame in which each user associated to a company must log in. This time frame is a specific number of days. And if a user that is associated to this company has not logged in with that number of days, they will need to access their email account to pass a passcode back to OQLIS to ensure that they still own that email address. To start, you will need to log in with your admin account. Once you're logged in, you will find your home page as you can see here. From there, you need to navigate to Settings. Once you're in your settings, you'll need to click on the tabs called Companies. From here, you will see a column called Dormant Days Allowed. All of these companies do not have a setting applied. To apply a dormant days setting, you will need to click on the company you want to set it for. For me, I'm going to set it for this company. Now we come down to the dormant days allowed input field here. I'm going to just put in 2 days. You can specify any days, 30 days, 60 days, it doesn't really matter. For now, just for testing purposes, just to show you what will happen when a user hasn't logged in for more than 2 days, I'm going to put 2 and save it there. And then that will reload your settings page. Once your settings page is reloaded, you can check the companies tab. And now we have the column days allowed 2, which is exactly what we were looking for. Now to demonstrate this function, I have a user that hasn't logged in for more than 2 days for that company. So what I'm going to try and do now is log in and see what happens. You can see we are redirected to a two-factor authentication page where it asks us to please check the email for the code that was sent. Now we'll go to our email, copy the code, paste it here, push continue, and our account is reactivated and we can log in as normal. The email you'll receive will look very similar to this one. And you can see here is the code that we will need to copy and paste into our two-factor code. Click continue and success. We're back in, we're validated, and we can go about using OQLIS in any way we wish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to get the latest updates regarding our software.